Hello students, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you, all of you, that you are appreciating my ideas and my tips, and I'm feeling so privileged that I'm able to help all the people who really need some extraordinaries tips and tricks to crack their IELTS exam. So today I'm going to discuss about the most requested module, that is reading module, because most of the students have problem with in reading. So in this video particularly I will focus on the strategies and the priorities of reading module. So let's get started. Most important thing in reading or to get success in reading module is time management. So it is like quite important to select that particular topic or that paragraph which can not only help you to manage the time but also which can boost your confidence. So first I'll focus on that. So my perception says that always select the familiar topic. Why selection of familiar topic is very important, I would say, because it will help you to manage your time and it will also provide you the confidence to move further. For example, if you have 3 different paragraphs like global warming, chocolate, Uranus, so in most of the cases or with most of the people, the chocolate is the one which is the most familiar topic. So that is why we'll first pick this up and then we will move to global warming, and then in the end we will talk about we will read about Uranus. So this is the priority, this is the first priority. Like whenever you get your question paper of reading module, so just have a glance or just have a glance over the topics. Pick up the most familiar topic because it will be easy to understand, and in the starting you will feel more interesting. So whenever you get your question paper of reading module, so just have a glimpse of all of the 3 topics and pick the most familiar one, because it will be more interesting for you. Moreover, you will not get you will not waste much of the time in doing that. Okay, now I will talk about the second priority. Let's focus on headings. As you know, in headings what we have given, there would be a box in which they will give headings, and then there would be paragraph. For example, these are the headings and these are your paragraphs. So one strategy that can help you is to pick the shortest one. Pick the shortest one. Why? Because the shortest one will be easy to understand. There would be like less sentences to understand, it would be easy to understand, and then it would be very easy to pick the right heading. For example, you read the E paragraph, it was of 2 to 3 sentences, it was quite easy, so you picked the answer 3. So what will it help in starting? Because you picked the shortest one, it will again boost your confidence. It will give you the confidence to move ahead rather than picking up the biggest one and not understanding at all. It would be better to pick the shortest one. So what is my first strategy in heading? Pick So my first strategy would be pick the shortest one. This is my strategy number 1. In 90% of the cases, the last paragraph will talk about the future and the first 2 paragraphs or sometimes the first one will talk about history. The second strategy in headings would be, as you must have focused that in usually while having a full passage, in first two paragraph or sometime in one paragraph, they usually talk about the history of that particular topic. For example, if it is like related to coffee or chocolate, so in these paragraph they mostly talk about the history of that thing, and in the last paragraph they mostly talk about the future, or sometimes they also talk about their expectation, because expectations is from future only. So it would be very easy to pick the headings of these, because you know that in starting they discussed about the history, in end they would pick up the future. So here even from headings you can locate which heading is related to past, which heading is related to future. For example, if you find that only one heading is related to future, then it would be very easy to locate your answer or to pick your answer. And if like 3 headings are related to past, then you have to just choose from 3 only, rather than choosing from these 7. You now have shortlisted 3 options, so it would be better to choose from